Today, we are excited to introduce our latest solution with our Wrapture model. Our customer needed a solution for their sensitive, sticky chemical products, requiring both protection during storage and easy access for reuse. With the Wrapture, we use a single-layer film to envelop the product, sealing the front and back with a cross sealer. Here's the twist. We remove the top sealing, leaving both sides only overlapped and partially open. This unique design ensures easy access, while keeping the product securely protected for its shelf life. It's the perfect blend of convenience and preservation. Stay tuned as we showcase the brilliance of the Wrapture in action. Let's redefine the way we package and protect.